always go back to your notes. Okay? Always go back to refresh your brain, refresh your memory. Because once you are writing exam in the dream, you are unable to give answers. Wahala dey. You can't do mapiology for dream. That's why you go also do mapiology in real life. That's why you also giraffe. You understand? So you need to bring yourself down, seek from people who know more than you. And when you're seeking from people who know more than you, please take their good side, leave their bad side. There are mentors who are good in talking down on their protege. Protege is you, the apprentice, all right? Once they see you are now shining more than them, they start bad mouthing you behind your back. They'll start bad mouthing you behind your back. Why? Because you're doing something better than them. Some are envious, some are jealous, some may have that spirit of witchcraft or wizardry in them, but you did not know. You didn't see it because your eyes, you are solely focused on the mentorship. There are some who are fanatical in their approach inordinately. They expect you to do everything according to how they are doing it. And when you're not doing it, they start bad-mouthing you. They start talking bad about you. So that people who are admiring you, who want to copy or who want to learn from you will be distracted. They will be discouraged. They will start seeing that negative aspect because they believe, this one na baba na mentor now. He don too dey for this ordinary now. Na ogbologbo dibia, okay dibia, this, that, and that. Whatever appellation they give to themselves, I don't care. Don't you know there are some spiritual work that a new dibia can come and do now? If an old dibia goes to do it, it will not be effective. Don't you know? Now. Even that time, I was telling somebody who came to pick my brain that I started manifesting at the age of 3. She was doubting it. Then my parents can testify, can bear me witness, though my dad is late. There are people who are aware of it, my siblings, they can testify to that. There is nothing I dream that does not come to pass. There is nothing I say that does not come to pass or happen. You understand? There are certain things they might be looking for in the house. Once I am called, I will stand. I don't know how it happens. I'll go into myself, search it, and point to the direction, tell them this is where that thing is. And once they go there, they will find it. There are children who started manifesting from the womb. Now their mama go tell you. Even before they were born, news have started flying. As in spiritualists, Dibians, or pastor or prophetess, they have started prophesying about the chosen one, the coming of that chosen one. It is their agu manifesting. They have not been conceived too. There are some still under conception. They are still in the womb. At the age of 3. Even dadas, when you have them, they see things, they see spirit and all that. That is why you see most of them, they cry every time at night. Not only when you are combing their hair. They are seeing their spiritual mates or even negative spirits around. Let me not digress. So, from that, your mentor, learn something good. Your mentor, if he's fond of bad-mouthing people, please don't follow suit because you are attracting a cause to yourself. Yes, once they say that bad thing, you too, you carry it, radio without battery, start repeating the same thing from an empty brain just because he or she is jealous of the person that was once an apprentice or onye gbala ọsọ agụ na nkie ọfụ na onye a na-eme ọfụma. Maybe in terms of using technology, ICT, the onye gbala ọsọ agụ ka the mentor mma. You see it? The mentor cannot do what they can do online, doesn't have a website. Chineke, let me laugh. Doesn't have a website, doesn't know how to use some apps, Telegram, doesn't have a YouTube channel. All these things gives rise to jealousy. Don't you know? Then the man will start saying, don't mind her. I am even the one that did her agri initiation. I'm even the one that closed the foundation for her. When the spirit we are stealing from her, you understand? Spiritual closure of grave, where the spirit we are dealing with her through spiritual stealing. I was the one that did this, I was the one that did that. And you, if you are sensible when they are talking bad about the person, you compare and contrast. Who is doing much more better? The mentor or onye gbara ọsọ agwụ na nke ya? Some of them are just stagnant. They don't know what else to write online. Every time it's agwụ, 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 agwụ. Every time it's agwụ, 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 agwụ. Every time it's ikpe ihe ọma, ikpe ihe ọma, ikpe ihe ọma. They are there on social media. Every time I want oh they keep deceiving you. If your spirit guy says they should avoid apple, they will be imposing it on you. But meanwhile, when you are a force to be reckoned with, you eat that apple, you still manifest. There is nothing. Don't you know that soil is not for you? Don't you know? Some of them have one ailment or the other that will make them not to eat apple. They will now lie on top of apple's head. Yes, we all know that cassava is not indigenous to us. It is not. So therefore, should we condemn it? It's already accepted in our society. And so, because as a spiritualist, you cannot use it to give it to your resumes. What we have is yam. It doesn't stop you from eating the apple. The apple is not going to contaminate your energy within, because now you the chopper. Not be your resumes with the chopper, even though your resumes is inside of you. But you can eat rice too. There are foods that are not indigenous to us that we also eat. Why must apple be blamed for everything? If you cannot connect with your spirit guide, why will you blame cassava? That is what is bringing your apple, setting your apple backwards. Your spirit. In fact, the correlation between, let me not digress, please. So as I was saying, when you dream that you are taking an exam and your paper disappear, it means that there is something happening in the spirit. You are under spiritual attack. Somebody is manipulating your energy, or you are being monitored under spiritual radar. Of evil people. You have to cleanse, you have to protect yourself when you have such dreams. You have to use the young chick and do the cleansing for choosing ones, please. And that's majority of my videos are address choosing ones. You should know this. So it means your destiny is being tampered with. It means you have so much distraction, you are confused, all your efforts are wasted. You have to do cleansing, thorough cleansing. Cleansing of 7 days if you are a woman, cleansing of 9 days if you are a man, or 14 days. Depends on what you want. Depends on how renewed and purified you want to be. Depend on how you want to. There are some cleansing that is also back to center. How you want to do it. That is the meaning. When you are taking exam and suddenly your paper disappears, you are unable to pass it. You don't see it anymore. Or you can also dream that your paper was torn. It's the same thing. You are sabotaging yourself, or somebody is sabotaging you, or you are alienated from your spiritual guide. You are careless. The spirit of anger is disturbing you. There is external opposition. There is witchcraft domination. Charms is being used against you to render you, how will I say, to render you spiritually dormant, so that you will not be agile in the spirit. When you notice all this, please, that cleansing, go close to your abu to restore and appease your abu or your spirit forces, or there are spirits you need to attend to. If it's a hand that is snatching that your exam paper in the exam tree, No, there are spirits you have not appeased. This for your foundational spirit, it can be uh, some of these helping energies, Ogugu, Udo, Ngene, Akpụ Ọkalete, Akwali, Ufufe. Uh, it depends. Find out because it is indigenous to you and not to me. You know the spirit that resides in your abode, that resides in your foundation. Ọ bụrụ na mmụọ obodo, the general overall deity of your time, you will know because from the background of the dream, you will understand it better. You understand? So if you dream that you submit and you saw results, congratulations! Congratulations, you have been approved to proceed, to progress, to dominate, to do exploits. You are moved to the next stage. You are more than ready. It means you need to be re-energizing your spirit guides. You ought to align and appease periodically, or before you align and appease, go through divination, afa, so that the spirit will not say that inyeha ajonni bad food because they didn't need it at that time. You felt out of your benevolence or out of being excited and happy, you just go and do it. And when you check, they'll say inyela ajonni because they didn't ask for it. I'm sorry this video is being long, it's taking long, but I need to elaborate it properly so that you understand this writing in the dream, writing exam in the dream. So you should know that when you give all the answers, you write and submit, you have done well, you are ready. Your spirit guides are with you, all your forces are with you. You have your konuche intact, your udenagu is functioning. Your African noise to nano is functioning. Your police abu, yeah, they are happy with you. Ezumezu, all your ezumezu, your chindiche, they are happy with you. Your water people, your ndiotu, they are happy with you. Agu benne, agu benna, agu ikunenne, agu ikunenna, they are all happy with you. Mamu obodo, all of them, your spiritual trees that are spirits, they are also happy with you. It means jidekiji. Continue in your exploits, your daily ego for purification, thanksgiving, spiritual work. You are doing it well. Pouring your daily libation, communicating with your agu. It means everything is going well. You are very, very ready. You are moving on to the next stage in life. You keep your unso and you are growing, you are disciplined, you receive guidance from your chi all the time. Spirituality, you are 100%. In your career, 100%. Your profession, whatever you do, relationship with other people, you are doing well. Okay? So, jide ka continue. Onye lụrụ ezigbo ọrụ nwere ụgwọ ọrụ. Are you listening? You will be rewarded. Now, the causes of having writing exams in the dream, the causes. It is your awakening stage. You are still coming up. That dream is nudging you, telling you to wake up so that you can know there's a journey ahead. So you will know that you have not aligned to your life path. You know there is something you vowed, your oath of life that you do. You have not started it. Maybe you are physically you are having challenges, nothing is working. Anything you put your hand to do, it will knock engine. People see you, they hate you, and all that. That dream, it keeps on reoccurring, reoccurring. If you're sensitive in the spirit, you need a prophet, you need a prophetess. If you are a traditionalist, go and do alpha divination. Go and do consultation, spiritual consultation to know what's going on in your life. It means that there is something your chi wants from you that you have not done. It means your agu is talking, your agu is awakening. All right? Sometimes it might be a spiritual attack to weaken, to confuse you. Sometimes it might mean your ancestors want you to wake up. But moreover, especially the one you see masquerade chasing you and all that, or you walking along with masquerade. It depends. And at the point you don't see them anymore, it's as if you are looking for them. So what causes that writing of exam in the dream is your spiritual awakening. Take it serious. Do not neglect it. Make sure you are in good terms with your chi. Make sure that what you are doing at that moment in time in your life, it is your destiny. It is in line with your destiny. It is in line with your life path. All right? If you don't know, please go for divination. If you cannot afford that divination, and you know where they sell nzu, oji, edo, alligator pepper, you go to one of my video talking to your powers, part 1 and part 2. Go and learn how to do daily affirmation, daily ego for talking to your powers. All right? From there, you will receive clarity in future dreams that you are having. Maybe the dream will now start progressing and showing you. One day they might show you your life in a video. You will know. Understand? So you have to discipline yourself to know that something is wrong, that there is something you should improve on. There is a work or responsibility that has been handed over to you. So you start preparing, you start cleansing yourself for your aura to brighten up and improve. So that if you dream it, when you wake up, you forget it, something is wrong. That dream should not be sabotaged. You should do follow up to find out what's going on in your life, what you are expected to do. You understand? Having exam in the dream is a continuous process. Till you finish this your life self. But the level at which you are in the class or school, or whether you have graduated in that dream as in the university, it will show you that your journey, you are ending it well. You are on the right path. All right? You need to always be in good terms with your Izmezu and Oramuo. Every one of them. You will always pass that test. No matter even if it changes from nursery to primary, primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary, tertiary to just you gathering people and enlightening them, maybe talking to them or working for them. It means you are Ugolobo. You are now powerful. You are on the right track. You have followed your life path. You are fulfilling destiny. That is what it means. Instead of now sitting to write exam, you now become the lecturer in the dream. You become the teacher. You become the examiner. You know Ogolobo now. Isi afọrọ wee kwaba okpu. Onye isi, you are now Ogbuebune. You are now Ogbuefi. Hey, you are now Okedibia with Okagu. You are now Nwa Robunago, Nwa Agu Ikunena, Ikunna. All sorts of sweet names. You have graduated. You are doing well. So you keep it up. Don't slack. Continue with your spiritual life path. Daily affirmation, daily ego for ego more, whatever you want to say. Igoji, whatever. So many expressions to it. Continue your appeasement, but check before you do the appeasement. Is it your chi that needs appeasement? Is it your ndi ichie, benne or benna? Is it your agu? Is it your chi? Is it your ekwensu agu? Is it your ulu agu? Is it your akete or ejitete? You know now, they plenty. So you have to be sure to avoid giving bad food, ajoni, because they didn't ask for that. No, the spirit guide has requested before you go ahead with that achievement. So you have passed the test. Whenever you are now dreaming now, you are not the one writing exam or anything. You are the one giving exams to people. That means you are now a coach, a spiritual coach. Hmm? You are now a dibia. You are now matured. You are now a leader. Hmm? So all this writing in exams, dreaming of writing exam, I hope I have clarified it in full. Um, show, explain what it means, that the dreams can come from your chi, your agu, or even negative forces that are trying to delay you. But bear it in mind that you should not relent. You should do well to pass the exam, proceed to the next class, proceed to the next class, proceed to the next class, and then graduate, become a master yourself. You understand? It's very, very important. So, in whatever you do, make sure you are spiritually conscious. There are a lot of people who are dead spiritually. They cannot be able to function well or even decode a dream. Have a stable life that is free of noise, free from distraction. At least simple dreams, you can be able to decode it without disturbing your spiritualist or disturbing the dibia. Because me, before I used to do free dream interpretations, but now you have to pay me for my time because my inbox is monetized, and there is a need maybe to go for divination based on that your dream to know the spirit guide that is seeking for your attention. All right. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop your question, but please endeavor to listen to my video first, second, and third, because the answers to your questions are already embedded in this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bring more people to like my channel. Thanks for watching. This is me, Bori Dibia Wangwu, signing out. Bye.